Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of TechRover. Today in this video I'm just gonna solve a problem I face here on my Netflix in my smart TV. So what is it? Let me show you. Once I just open the Netflix, it's not going to be opened and I've gotten this message. And you can see Netflix has encountered an error or whatever. You can see when I try it again, I got the same message. And what to do to fix this problem if you have it, or if that Netflix is not opening here on your small TV. So we're gonna exit from this notification we got from that Netflix, and we have to find out the setting of our small TV from here. So it's over here in down. When I go here on setting, we have common. Click on common and just come down for system recovery. Maybe it will be different here on your smart TV. You can just check for system reset and you're gonna dial your passcode. It's 1234. Maybe your smart TV password will be different. You can check the guidebook of your smart TV. So it was just only 1234. Once I click that, you can see it's now resetting all the settings of my smart TV. As you can see, we got the startup setup. So we have to do all of this here on this video. Then we're gonna check that Netflix. I'm going to choose the language and time zone, then go connecting Wi-Fi. So let me connect my Wi-Fi to this smart TV. Once I just done that, I'm going to click on next, and then time to go on home page. So once I just reset everything, I go open the applications, and you can see my TV just downloaded and installed the Netflix to itself, which is the older version. I mean, my TV is not supporting the latest updated version of Netflix. That's why I just reset it. There wasn't any way to downgrade your Netflix, only just resetting your small TV, and you go ahead to sign in your account, and when you check your Netflix, you can see we can enjoy our movies. So it's all about how we can fix your Netflix not working on your small TV. And hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget hit the like button. See you until next quick 12 videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.